Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get my SportyBet ID. The first thing I want you to do is to check your SportyBet ID. I want you to log into your SportyBet account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on this page. And here at the top right, you'll actually see my account. I want you to go ahead and click on this. And then here you'll actually get a drop down. And I want you to go ahead and select the first option that actually says right here, my account info. Now to get your SportyBet ID, when you are redirected to this page, here next to your profile icon, you will actually see your phone number. So I have this one blocked out. I've edited over this, but this is basically your SportyBet ID that you can go ahead and use and reference, let's say, when you're depositing money. So, really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.